In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Venmo to bank. First things first, you're gonna wanna click on your Venmo app. And then you're gonna wanna click right up here where it says wallet. Make sure you're on that, and then you'll see your Venmo balance. Now, I have $0 in my balance, but if you have any money, if anybody sent you money or you requested money and they paid, it would be in your wallet and Venmo balance. From there, you're gonna wanna click on transfer. So you have two options. You can click instant, which you'll have it in a few minutes, or you can click 1 to 3 business days, which you'll have it in 1 to 3 business days. And then there's a fee, and then down here it'll show you where to transfer to. So we're gonna do instant or bank, it doesn't matter. Pick which one you want, and then you click on transfer to, and then you click on your bank, your card or your bank account that you want to use. And then from there, down here at the bottom where it says transfer 000, all gray, that will light up. Once that lights up, you click that, and then your money is all transferred into your bank account. And that's how you transfer money from Venmo to your bank. Thank you for watching.